Good evening, everyone, and welcome once again to a spectacular program of the Music Village. इस program का नाम है संगीत अखाड़ा. Now, अखाड़ा is something you associate with wrestling, कुश्ती. तो म्यूजिक और कुश्ती का ये क्या तालमेल है? क्या कोई तालमेल है? But just wait for some time. ये तालमेल ही नहीं, बहुत अच्छा गठबंधन भी है. I'll tell you more about what this Sangeet Akhada is all about. Another one of the unique concepts by the Music Village Mahaprabandhak Papuri. इस प्रोग्राम में it's a contest, it's a musical contest जिसमें जो Music Village के students हैं, they will contest against each other. The contestants, the singers, they've been divided into 4 different groups and they will be performing for us for the next 4 weeks. And then at the end of the period, there's going to be a grand finale. Each group, each week is going to have one winner. And we have an esteemed panel of judges who's going to choose the winners. And we'll see who those winners are. तो ये 4 टीम्स रहेंगी, 4 कंटेस्टेंट्स फाइनल होंगे और फिर ग्रैंड फिनाले में जाएंगे. तो 4 हफ्ते हमको बहुत अच्छे और सुरीले गाने सुनने का मौका मिलेगा. I mean, we've all heard the spectacular singers of Music Village. Let's see what's in store for us. इस program के through, Music Village is also paying a tribute to the COVID warriors, to people within the group who have been COVID survivors and who've gone ahead and become COVID warriors by helping their community, their societies, and their fellow residents. So let's see what are the rules and regulations of this very intriguing, very interesting program, Sangeet Akhada. So the rules of this program are quite unique. Every singer gets to sing one song, preferably in Hindi. कोई और dialect भी चलेगा, but the preference is going to be for Hindi. All the contestants have been allowed to reach out to a music studio and get a voice enhancements done. No other enhancement, no other technical advancement is going to be allowed for the song. So that's the rule number 2. One very important factor, if for any other reason, personal reasons, technical reasons, if a contestant is unable to provide a song which has been recorded for this contest, they can actually go back 6 months and submit a song that they might have recorded for any of the other Music Village programs. However, there's a catch. अगर आप अपना कोई पुराना song submit करते हैं तो आपके फाइनल स्कोर में से 5 points डिडक्ट कर लिए जाएंगे. So that's a very important factor that all the contestants have been made aware of. We have an esteemed panel of judges जिनके बारे में मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा. And these judges have been only sent the audio files for judging and choosing the winner. So that's a very important aspect as well. Secondly, the criteria that is being used for judging the songs is basically 60% weightage is going to be given to Sur and Tal. Of course, it's a music program. It's about singing. 30% weightage is going to be given on expression. A very important aspect, and all students of Music Village understand how important expressions are. And 10% to creativity. How do you mold the song? How do you make it your own? So these are the interesting rules. And as I said, it's a contest. It's a war. सुर से सुर टकराएंगे. एक से एक दिग्गज जो सिंगर्स हैं वो सामने आएंगे, कंधे से कंधा मिलाएंगे और बोलेंगे चक दे म्यूजिक विलेज. तो मैं आपका ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लेता हूँ और आपको बताता हूँ हमारे पहले सिंगर के बारे में. So friends, the first contestant for today is Ajay. Ajay is one of my favorite contestants, one of my favorite singers from the Music Village family. और उनकी प्यारी किशोर कुमार वाली आवाज सुनने के लिए मैं तो बेताब हूँ. I don't know about you. So without wasting any time, let's welcome Ajay.
पंछी सुर में गाते हैं, भंवरे गुनगुनाते हैं, घुंघरू बजाती है हवा. ऐसे मुस्कुराती है, यूं फिजा बुलाती है, जैसे हो ये मेरी दिलरुबा. पंछी सुर में गाते हैं, भंवरे गुनगुनाते हैं, घुंघरू बजाती है हवा. ऐसे मुस्कुराती है, यूं फिजा बुलाती है, जैसे हो ये मेरी दिलरुबा, जैसे हो ये मेरी दिलरुबा। देखो क्या घनेरे ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वतों के साए हैं, चल के यूं मचल के रंग बदल के हमसे मिलने आए हैं। हो देखो क्या घनेरे ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वतों के साए हैं, चल के यूं मचल के रंग बदल के हमसे मिलने आए हैं। खुशबू है बहारों की, मस्ती है नजारों की, सबके दिल पे छाया है नशा। अरे ऐसे मुस्कुराती है, यूं फिजा बुलाती है, जैसे हो ये मेरी दिलरुबा। पंछी सुर में गाते हैं, भंवरे गुनगुनाते हैं, घुंघरू बजाती है हवा। ऐसे मुस्कुराती है, यूं फिजा बुलाती है, जैसे हो ये मेरी दिलरुबा। नैया बिन खिवैया जाने कैसे साहिलों पे आती है। धारा इस नदी की हर किसी को एक दिन तो मिलाती है। हो नैया बिन खिवैया जाने कैसे साहिलों पे आती है। धारा इस नदी की हर किसी को एक दिन तो मिलाती है। सच्ची ये कहानी है, पानी जिंदगानी है, सारे जग को है ये पता। ओ ऐसे मुस्कुराती है, यूं फिजा बुलाती है, जैसे हो ये मेरी दिलरुबा। पंछी सुर में गाते हैं, भंवरे गुनगुनाते हैं, घुंघरू बजाती है हवा। ऐसे मुस्कुराती है, यूं फिजा बुलाती है, जैसे हो ये मेरी दिलरुबा, जैसे हो ये मेरी दिलरुबा, जैसे हो ये मेरी दिलरुबा।
My goodness, Ajay, that was a spectacular performance. but we were expecting that from you. मजा आ गया। अगर पहला सॉन्ग ऐसा है तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि आगे आगे देखिए होता है क्या। Thank you very much, Ajay. That was a spectacular performance. We loved each minute of it. I hope we get to hear you once again in this program. Before we move on to the next contestant, I would just like to take a few minutes and think about the last 12 months of this year. It has been devastating for all of us. The pandemic actually entered our houses, our families. Every day we had to hear news about losing somebody. These months have been quite unnerving for everybody across the world, especially in India, where the second wave of the pandemic was really, really devastating. But every adversity gives rise to heroes. And I'm proud to say that ऐसे ही एक hero हमारे Music Village family में भी है. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about Neha Kulkarni. Neha herself has been a COVID survivor, and recently when her society, her community needed her, she stepped up and served the community, served the people of the society with her whole heart. नेहा ने इतने लोगों की मदद करी है पिछले कुछ दिनों में, पिछले कुछ हफ्तों में, relentlessly, selflessly. She has been working day and night trying to help patients, trying to help their families, and in the bargain, we've actually seen that she managed to save some lives as well. She was a part of COVID task force of her society, and Neha, we are really proud of you. Ladies and gentlemen, नेहा का जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, फर्स्ट एज अ कोविड सर्वाइवर एंड देन एज अ कोविड वॉरियर, हम कुछ इस बारे में उनसे बात करें। हेलो नेहा, आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू दैट द वेरी इनिशियल मोमेंट्स व्हेन यू हैड द इनिशियल सिम्पटम्स एंड यू डिसाइडेड ऑन गोइंग फॉर द टेस्टिंग, व्हाट वाज योर फीलिंग अराउंड दैट?
Hi Sandeep. I think I'd like to begin this whole story from the time that, from what I recollect as the start of COVID, there was this whole lockdown and all of that. So our office closed operations in terms of its physical entity on the 20th or 22nd of March. Since we basically come from Mumbai, there were a lot of stories that we were getting of family and friends from Mumbai. We did lose a lot of our family members also. Around the 2nd of September was when, Nirmal, that is my husband, he developed a bit of a sore throat. On the 3rd, he developed a little bit of fever. Fever was always low grade and, nothing very high. So again, the first thing we did was, because yes, we had heard of all these horror stories from Bombay. So we called up our doctor and we spoke to the doctor, and then we asked the doctor. So the doctor said, look, this appears to be like a season change. Don't really bother much about it. And then what actually happened was that it was, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. The fever was there. It didn't go away. The sore throat was there. And, and we kept telling the doctor that I think that we should get RT-PCR test done. So the doctor said, look, it's not so common, don't worry, don't get into all this, it's like you're just hyper imagination going on. By the time 5th, Nirmal had started losing his sense of smell. And on the 5th, or 6th rather, even I developed fever. That is when we almost kind of forced the doctor, saying that no, we want to get the RT-PCR done, whether you think it is or it is not. Not one doctor, but we had consulted 2-3 doctors, and they said no, nothing, doesn't appear to be anything serious, don't worry. So we insisted on the RT-PCR test.
So Neha, how was your entire testing experience?
I guess that was a time when also I think testing and the testing kits were not very readily available, I guess. So, there was a lot of judiciousness that was being practiced by doctors, saying that, let's not use the kits if not required. Let one get positive first, then we will talk about the others. The very important part is that at that time, you could not just call for a test. The doctor had to give you a prescription for a test. that was a time when we sort of, I couldn't get a prescription for myself. And also very important was that the doctor had to be a registered practitioner with the Haryana Medical Council. So a Delhi doctor who's not registered could also not give me that prescription. So, through friends and family and, sort of some known doctors, I managed to get a prescription for myself and my father-in-law also. So we got ourselves tested on the 7th. And the typical pattern was that midnight, 12 or 1 o'clock was when the reports were coming in. Nirmal and me were pretty much very, very anxious. And somewhere within me, I was pretty much sure that everything, the way it was unfolding and the way it was emerging, within me, I was pretty much sure that this seemed to be, a kind of COVID scenario.
So when you tested and the results came and you realized that you were COVID positive, what was the reaction of the family? How did they take this news? What were the first steps that you took after that?
So at about 1 o'clock midnight was when the reports came in. And sure enough, Nirmal had tested positive, I had tested positive, and thankfully, my father-in-law, who is 93, had tested negative. The first thing that came to our mind was, now how do we deal? The first advice that was given to us, isolate Baba completely. You cannot even see your father-in-law's face. We had to literally lock up that room. It was only the food which was we had to assist. Nirmal had his own comorbidities. Nirmal's fever was already on the 6th or 7th day. So the first reaction was, okay, let me get treated at home. Well, other doctors were insisting that Nirmal gets admitted to the hospital. Nirmal was a little reluctant, and because we had heard all kinds of family horror stories from Bombay. So there was a lot of fear, a lot of panic, a lot of apprehensions about going to a hospital. First thought which came to my mind was that yes, this requires monitoring. Yes, this requires medication. It requires very stringent monitoring, and we kind of first got onto the Medanta home care plan. I'm very, very thankful to Dr. Ravi Mehta and Hetal Mehta. They're heading the COVID fight in Karnataka. It really doesn't matter where the doctor is based when it comes to getting consultation, because it's only teleconsultation that is happening. You just get onto a call with them and try to sort of hand yourself over to them, and then let's see where it goes from there. The first thing that Hetal told us was, I'm going to generate a Google form for you. You are going to fill up your data every 3 hours. However, sort of uncomfortable you are, feeling hassled, panicked, whatever, this data has to come to me. The next morning at 8 o'clock, while we are monitoring our oxygen saturation, Nirmal's oxygen drops to 87. Then that was a huge alarm bell. Now the question of staying at home doesn't arise. We had to get him to a hospital.
So Neha, how was your overall experience while you were under treatment? The entire experience, both good and bad. How did it all go for you and for Nirmal?
So given these scenarios, the whole situation became very, very challenging. Now, having this whole scenario unfold the way it is, the one thing which I must tell all of you is that COVID takes its toll on one's health, but it takes a huge toll on your mental abilities. It is a huge mental trauma. So for that, it is always advisable that, this thing about whether it is daily monitoring, whether it is, coordinating with the doctors or coordinating with the admin staff in the hospital, or, whoever is your doctor who's teleconsulting you. If somebody from the family or friends is willing to take over that task, I would say please don't hesitate to hand over that task to them. Because you need to be actually mentally free to actually just act on the spur of the moment and taking a decision at that point. That is extremely important. All I'm saying is that as many hands and heads are required to handle this, you just accept any help. This entire illness is it's a very peculiar kind of illness, because apart from the fact that you're physically weak, the bouts of weakness, it's a strange graph. it keeps going up and down, up and down. And it kind of manifests differently in different people. So it's like, it's like a roller coaster. 1 minute you're fine, you're doing all the work, everything is working fine. And all of a sudden, in the next minute, the energy level just drops to the extent that I would actually just fall in the kitchen.
थैंक यू नेहा। कुछ देर में हम आपसे थोड़ी बात और करेंगे। Our next contestant, the next singer is Preeti. Unfortunately, Preeti could not record a song for this contest. So Preeti is using one of her earlier performances. But Preeti, I'm sorry, as per the rules, judges आपके 5 points काट लेंगे क्योंकि आपका लाइव परफॉर्मेंस रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो पाया था। कोई बात नहीं, हमें तो म्यूजिक सुनने से मतलब है। And we are looking forward to your melodious voice. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Preeti.
मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब नमायान, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब नमायान, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब नमां, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब नमां। मैंने समझा था कि तू है तो दरख्शां है हया, तेरा गम है तो गमे दहर का झगड़ा क्या है, तेरी सूरत से है आलम में बहारों को सबात, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है, तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है। तू जो मिल जाए तो तकदीर निगो जाए, यूं न था मैंने फकत चाहा था यूं हो जाए। हाँ, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब नमां, मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब नमां। अनगिनत सदियों की तारीख बही माना तलस, अनगिनत सदियों के तारीख बही माना तलस, रेशमो अथलसो कम ख्वाब में बुनवाए हुए, जा बजा बिकते हुए कूचाओ बाजार में जिस्म, खाक में लिथड़े हुए खून में नहलाए हुए, लौट जाती है उधर को भी नजर क्या कीजिए, अब भी दिलकश है तेरा हुस्न मगर क्या कीजिए, अब भी दिलकश है तेरा हुस्न मगर क्या कीजिए, और भी दुख है ज़माने में मोहब्बत के सिवा, राहतें और भी है वस्ल की राहत के सिवा। मुझसे पहली से मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब न मांग, मुझसे पहली से मोहब्बत मेरे महबूब न मांग।
मजा आ गया, क्या परफॉर्मेंस था। अभी तक मेरे कानों में आपकी सुरीली आवाज चल रही है। Finally, after 2 weeks when you recovered, you were cured of the disease, what was your reaction? What were you feeling? Were you relaxed? What was the experience after recovery?
So, continuing this entire saga of COVID that we went through. So, by the 8th day or 9th day in the hospital, which was almost about 16 days after COVID was first detected, that Nirmal came back home after 8 days of staying in the hospital. Thankfully, by the grace of God, he actually responded to all that treatment. Me, on the other hand, I was not really put on any of these drugs, neither was I put on any steroids, and I was kind of, because I was pretty much less symptomatic than what Nirmal was, because my fever lasted only for 2 to 3 days. After 15 days, we were out of quarantine. Things were, sort of in terms of, yes, we got our house completely sanitized, and then, our daughter was allowed to come into the house. So that bit, by then things started rolling out okay.
They say that family is always the strength and the pillar of strength for anybody. So what do you think in that overall experience was the role played by your family and friends?
I had fantastic neighbors who helped me with the food, because every day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, with our names written on the packets and disposables, all dropped at the door. My daughter lives in Bangalore. She decided to fly back to help us. Nidhi, our daughter, coordinated so that I was left to handle the thing at home.
Thank you, Neha. कुछ देर में हम आपसे थोड़ी बात और करेंगे about your experiences as a COVID warrior. Ladies and gentlemen, अब हम अपने अगले कंटेस्टेंट को बुलाते हैं। दिल थाम के बैठिए। हमारे अगले कंटेस्टेंट है आशीष। आशीष को आप सभी ने म्यूजिक विलेज के कई प्रोग्राम्स में सुना होगा। I've always liked his बिंदास स्टाइल ऑफ सिंगिंग। आइए देखते हैं आशीष आज क्या गाने वाले हैं।
फूलों के रंग से, दिल की कलम से, तुझको लिखी रोज पाती, कैसे बताऊं किस किस तरह से, पल पल मुझे तू सताती, तेरे ही सपने लेकर के सोया, तेरी यादों में जागा, तेरे ख्यालों में उलझा रहा यूं, जैसे कि माला में धागा। हाँ, बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। हाँ, इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। सांसों की सरगम धड़कन की वीणा, सपनों की गीतांजलि तू। मन की गली में महके जो हरदम, ऐसी जूही की कली तू। छोटा सफर हो लंबा सफर हो, सूनी डगर हो या मेला, या तू आए मन हो जाए भीड़ के बीच अकेला। हाँ बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार, लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। हाँ इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार, लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। पूरब हो पश्चिम उत्तर हो दक्षिण, तू हर जगह मुस्कुराए। जितना ही चाहूं मैं दूर तुझसे, उतनी ही तू पास आए। आंधी ने रोका पानी ने टोका, दुनिया ने हंसकर पुकारा। तस्वीर तेरी लेकिन लिए मैं कर आया सबसे किनारा। हाँ बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार, लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। हाँ इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार, लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार, कई कई बार, कई कई बार, कई कई बार।
Another great performance। आज तो समा बंध चुका है और अभी तो 2-3 परफॉर्मेंसेज और बचे हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच आशीष, मजा आ गया आपके सॉन्ग से। Ladies and gentlemen, as promised, we are back with Neha Kulkarni, and now we are going to talk to her about what was her experience as a COVID warrior. So Neha, how exactly did you get involved in the COVID task force of your society?
The day I got out of COVID, the first thing I pledged to myself is that this is not an illness which you can fight on your own without the support of family, friends, doctors, neighbors, the condominiums. You cannot fight this thing alone. Therefore, I pledged that anybody who needs help, I will be there to try and help them in whatever capacity I can. So that was one of the reasons why I kind of got involved. When the condominium gave out this call for help, I just offered my name in that. It's as simple as that. It is an inner calling because of something that we have faced, or which I'm talking about myself. I know how desperate the scene can get because I've been through it.
So as a part of the task force, how did you strategize? How did you plan to deal with this crisis?
When the second wave hit, nobody had any understanding of what to do. So it was more like headless chickens running all over the place, trying to figure out what to do. quickly we realized that no, there has to be a strategy. As a community of 3,000 residents, we were there for each other and we had to figure out our own route and figure out our own way through this. Fortunately, we had Dr. Dheer with us, who is absolutely like the guardian angel today, who's possibly saved I don't know how many lives. We took instructions from him. Under his guidance, we sort of just came together and tried to figure out strategies on how to deal with it. There was a core team of coordinators and we kind of developed different verticals, and the verticals were procurement, which procured primarily oxygen concentrators, medicines. The second vertical was of course the on-ground volunteers who were dealing with the emergencies. Then there was one vertical which was developed as a monitoring team. Now, this monitoring team, what happened there was that we realized that if there were just 2 or 3 numbers that people could reach out to, then it would have been difficult to manage this whole story. So what we actually did there was we actually created an app and the access to this app was given to all residents. This app was done only and only for pocket petrels with data, there was a team which sat to verify data which was going into the app. So there was one vertical which was the monitoring team. Then there was one vertical which was called as the counseling team, which was counseling patients both, to sort of psychologically kind of, the family and the patients themselves to help them out. And then there was one team which was set up to source beds, ambulance and hospitals.
Thank you very much, Neha. Our next performer is the rock star of the Music Village, Sucheta. आइए देखते हैं आज वो क्या करने वाली हैं. Presenting Sucheta.
बाहों के दरमियां दो प्यार मिल रहे हैं, जाने क्या बोले मन डोले सुन, ये बदन धड़कन बनी जुबान, बाहों के दरमियां. खुलते बंद होते लबों की ये अनकही, खुलते बंद होते लबों की ये अनकही, मुझसे कह रही है कि बढ़ने दे बेखुदी, मिले यूं के दौड़ जाए नस नस में बिजलियां, बाहों के दरमियां दो प्यार मिल रहे हैं, जाने क्या बोले मन डोले सुन के बदन धड़कन बनी जुबान.
1,
को भी ये हंसी राज है पसंद। आसमां को भी ये हंसी राज है पसंद। उलझी उलझी सांसों की आवाज है पसंद। मोती लुटा रही है सावन की बदलियां बाहों के दरमियां। दो प्यार मिल रहे हैं बाहों के दरमियां। दो प्यार मिल रहे हैं जाने क्या बोले मन डोले सुन के बदन धड़कन वाली जुबान। नारा 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 नारा।
That was extraordinary. क्या परफॉर्मेंस था और क्या आवाज है, बहुत मजा आ गया। आई होप आप आगे जाकर हमें इस प्रोग्राम में और एक गाना सुनाएं और कई गाने सुनते रहेंगे हम आपसे म्यूजिक विलेज के प्रोग्राम्स में। थैंक यू सुचेता। Neha, can you tell us about some of the challenges that you faced while you were a part of this task force and fighting the pandemic?
The challenges that we faced were many because this was uncharted territory for all of us. You know, we were kind of finding our way as we were going along. None of us really had any background of handling anything like this or working on anything like this. So as a result of that, it was like uncharted territory. So that was one point. The other challenge that we came across was the complete collapse of the infrastructure around you because, you know, no hospitals, no beds, no oxygen, you know, no ambulances, everything, the system was completely overstretched. So that again became a big challenge. So, you know, those were the kind of challenges that we were facing.
Can you give us a few examples of how the team managed to help somebody or save somebody from the disease or help somebody to recover?
One of the cases was, for 2 consecutive days, we realized that the pulse reading of that patient was going beyond limits. When we informed the doctor's first reaction was, patient needs to go for a CT scan right away. And when the CT scan was taken, there were a few anomalies that were detected. And when they were detected, they were treated. So they could avoid the hospitalization because these particular, the situation was handled before time. And the other cases there were many cases where the oxygen saturation level was out of range. So doctor had 2 or 3 backup alternatives that even without oxygen, how we could manage to, raise up the oxygen levels. Of course, proning is very much known to everybody now. But apart from proning, there were other things with the help of other things like BiPAP machines, medications, where patients have been able to they've managed to tide over the situation. And that has only happened because doctor was able to monitor them. And because these, this monitoring happened, the alarms were raised before they reached into a panic situation, before they reached that emergency stage. So these were some of the cases.
As a COVID survivor and COVID warrior, is there any advice or suggestion that you would want to give to a COVID patient or a COVID warrior?
Go about it in a little bit Bollywood way. The Roti Kapda Makan story is very, very Bollywood in its term. But I would say this is more, I'd like to take it as Roti Kapda Makan or Upchar. If you test positive or if you have any symptoms of COVID, you just seal your house. Nobody goes in, nobody goes out. In the event that if you leave a house when you are sick, you have to wear a PPE suit, double mask and a face shield. As far as food is concerned, we were asked to be very strongly on a high protein diet. This illness is not a one size fits all. A medication which kind of agrees with me may not agree with you. So please do not self-medicate. This is an extremely important point. Everybody is aware that this typically has 3 phases to it. Day 1 to day 5, day 6 to day 13. And then after you come out of the quarantine, it's a 3-month period at least that you have to be very, very careful. Please do not take this whole story lightly. Let us be together. Let us stay together, and I'm sure we'll overcome it. That's my 2 pence for whatever I've been asked to speak about. Let's hope that I have not been too sermonical, and everybody just finds it beneficial. Thank you, everyone.
ये दुनिया रे पगले एक राम कहानी है, अपना न यहाँ कोई, हर चीज बेगानी है। ये दुनिया रे पगले एक राम कहानी है, अपना न यहाँ कोई, हर चीज बेगानी है। क्यों मोह में पड़ कर के तू खुद को भुला बैठा, क्यों मोह में पड़ कर के तू खुद को भुला बैठा, आया है उसे जाना, ये रीत पुरानी है, आया है उसे जाना, ये रीत पुरानी है। ये दुनिया रे पगले एक राम कहानी है, अपना न यहाँ कोई, हर चीज बेगानी है। ये दुनिया रे पगले एक राम कहानी है, ये दुनिया रे पगले एक राम कहानी है। ये दुनिया रे पगले एक राम कहानी है।
Thank you very much, Neha. As I said before, we are really proud of you and God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, episode 1 की हमारी आखिरी सिंगर पूनम अब आपके सामने परफॉर्म करेंगी। पूनम, चालू हो जाइए। All the very best. We are all ears.
कल किसने देखा है, आज हमारा है, कुछ पल की है ये जिंदगी, कुछ गलतियां कर ले, कुछ ना समझियां कर ले, कुछ ऐसा करे कि शानदार बन जाए, कुछ ऐसा करे कि यादगार बन जाए, कुछ ऐसा करे कि लाजवाब बन जाए। शायद फिर ना मिले ये जिंदगी, कुछ पल की है ये जिंदगी।
बस यही एक पल है। इस पल के जलवों ने महफिल सवारी है, इस पल की गर्मी ने धड़कन उभारी है, इस पल के होने से दुनिया हमारी है, ये पल जो देखो तो सदियों पे भारी है, जीने वाले सोच ले यही वक्त है कर ले पूरी आरज़ू, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, आगे भी जाने न तू।
What a finale! आज का प्रोग्राम खत्म करने के लिए इससे अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस हो नहीं सकता था. Thank you very much for that song, Poonam. With this performance, we come to the end of the episode 1 of the Sangeet Akhada presented by the Music Village. Thank you very much to all the contestants for some really soulful and lovely songs that you all presented to all of us. Thank you very much, and don't go away because very soon we are going to have the announcement of results. For our viewers, our next episode is going to be on next Sunday, where the second team, the team B, is going to be performing, and I'm sure you'll be looking forward to the episode 2 of this epic battle of singers of the Music Village. As I said in the beginning, we have an esteemed panel of judges, and this program is not going to be ending before we thank our judges, and we have a privilege of having all of them here. Let me tell you a bit about our esteemed panel of judges. We have with us Mr. George Zakaria from Pune. George is a corporate and a lead singer in many bands for more than 25 years. We then have Mr. Jesse Wilku with us. Jesse is a vocalist and sound engineer and runs his own recording studio in Delhi. Next we have Mr. Joy Deepan with us. Joy is a very talented guitarist. He's been a lead guitar in many bands, and he's also performed with the Music Village in the past. And last but not the least, we have with us Pandit Rajesh Kumar. Pandit ji is a veteran sitarist and a vocal guru to a lot of young, budding, upcoming singers from Punjab, not only in India, but across the world. Thank you very much, sirs, for being a part of our program. And ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, they have come to a result, and we know who's the winner of the episode 1 of the Sangeet Akhada. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come to declare the results. Now we'll come to know in the next few seconds who's the winner of episode 1. ये अजय होगा या आशीष, और इज इट सुचेता और मे बी प्रीति, या फिर एपिसोड की धमाकेदार एंडिंग करने वाली पूनम? Anybody can be a winner. And it is a very interesting and unexpected result, let me tell you, my friends. Here's presenting the result of episode 1. The winner is, or maybe I should say, the winners are, yes, ladies and gentlemen, very interestingly, it is a tie. And the two winners of episode 1 of Sangeet Akhara are Sucheta and Preeti. A very big congratulations to both Preeti and Sucheta. And let me remind you, 5 points were deducted from Preeti's score because she did not submit a live song. So you can imagine how much she would have impressed the judges with her song. So all the very best to both of you for the finale. Thank you very much, everyone. It was a pleasure to have you all here. I hope you enjoyed the show as much as we enjoyed presenting it to you. So here's looking forward to the next episode of the Sangeet Akhara presented by the Music Village. All the contestants of today will be getting your feedbacks from Papuri ma'am in the next class tomorrow. So until the next episode, another round of soulful singing. Here's me, आपका कार्यक्रम संचालक, wishing you goodbye. Take good care of yourself. Namaskar.